In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check longitude and latitude on Google Maps. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Google Maps app. It works in the same way on an iPhone and on an Android. And first off, guys, we need to search for a location which we would like to check longitude and latitude for. Once we find a location, all we have to do is just tap on it to drop a pin. And once it is done, just scroll down to the very bottom until you find longitude and latitude here. Now, guys, we can copy this data. To do that, we just need to tap on it, and then we can go to any messenger, let's say Telegram, and then we can actually share this data. We can save it to our saved messages, or we can share them with our friends. And our friend or we later on can head over to Google Maps, paste this data here to the search box to be able to easily find that location in any time. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.